Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to start a brand new playlist dedicated entirely to Rust grades. And I know there are documentations available, and you might be thinking that why I'm creating videos when people can read the documentation. Here is the thing: like documentation is for the reference purpose, and if you really want to learn something, you can do it. Like you can learn it by doing, and if you see the real examples, you can learn things more quickly as compared to just reading all the documentation and everything. In this playlist, I'm going to select the. I will be selecting the popular and the useful grades. And for the first part, I have selected the terminal size grade. If I scroll down, you can see the number of downloads for this grade. And let me move this screen here. So by the way, I have already created a new cargo project just to test this terminal size grade. And so let's start with this one, the terminal size. And the terminal size, grades helps you to get the size of the terminal window, and it will return the width and height of the terminal window. And this can be very really helpful if you are going to create the terminal based applications like the digital clock or the progress bar or text kind of the animation. Then you really need this terminal size grade, because let's say if you want to center any text to the screen, you need this grade, because this grade will return the width, and for centering anything you need the width. If you want the horizontal center, you need the width, and for the vertical alignment, obviously you need the height for that. So let's start with the example first. So things will get much more clear by writing some code. So there is a function called uh, let me, I think I haven't installed the. Okay, so there is no dependency. First install the add the cargo terminal size. So terminal size gets added. Now I can use the function. Function is the terminal size. Okay, it's important. So this terminal size function, as you can see, this will return the option width and height tuple. And if it's return the option, then we can use the if let sum, and this returns the tuple. So for that we need the width, and the tuple next tuple will be height. So we got the width and height. I think we need to import these are the okay. So these are the structs with the height, and the height value will be unsigned 16. And now we can easily print the width and height as well. And for the, I think that's what we can write that as well. I'm able to get the size, and let's just test this. Okay, so we got the width 95 and height is 27. Let me resize the browser, and now I have resized the browser. The values will be different. So now width is 80 and height is 21. It gets changed. So the we are getting the width and height perfectly fine. And so it's very simple, and as you can see that we have imported the terminal size function, and this returns the double of the width and height. And let me check the documentation. Is there anything else which I need to explain? And so for using the okay, and you might be wondering, do I really need to the entire grid just to get the size? So the answer is yes, because different operating systems handles the terminal input differently. So this terminal size grid abstracts all the complexity for you. Abstracts all the complexity for you. You don't have to worry about the platform chest. You don't have to write a platform specific code for the Windows, Mac OS, or Linux just to handle the terminal. So that's why this grid will be useful for you, and it's fast and simple as well. And on top of that, it's a cross platform. And I think for the I think we can do a simple demo example for. You can easily code that as well. Okay, so let's say we have the message which is called, which will be, I think, hello Rust will be fine, and we will show this hello Rust horizontally center of the terminal, center to terminal. For that, I think we need the left padding from that, and we will add the empty spaces. So for the width calculation of the screen, if you really want to center anything, you need the width of that window. So for the window part, obviously we need the terminal grades like the terminal size. So I think we can say that left padding will be, and we have the width, and we will divide it by 2 to get the center. Now we are on the center point, and now we have to calculate the length of this string, the hello Rust as well. So we need to know that where we have to show the first alphabet, which is the H. So for the safer side, we don't need the negative values. For the negative values, there's a function called a saturated sub. This will not give us, if there is a negative value, this will return us the 0. There will be no negative numbers gets returned from this function. And what we need, we have the message dot length. Yeah, okay, so message length, and we will divide it by 2 to get the half of it. So we knew where to show from the first alphabet, where we need to show. Also, I think this length will returns the hue size, and what's the type of this width? Okay, so this is unsigned 16. So both have the different data types, both integer values. So we have to make it equal, because otherwise we will be getting error. So we will pass this to usize. Now we got the left padding. Now what we need to do, we have to print this value in a different, we used some kind of a formatting for that, for the formatting part. And for the width part, we will show all the empty strings, and then we have the message, and we need to show the width where the first alphabet will start from. And for that, we have already calculated the left padding. So we got the left padding. I think we are good to go. Let me test that. Okay, we got the error Rust, but let me add the line break here and here as well. So this will be Okay, it's perfectly fine now. As you can see, the hello rust is in the center of the screen, horizontally centered. And if you resize this window, it doesn't matter. The text will be shown in the center according to the window size. Let me resize it. Okay, so now it's resized. Let me make it more smaller, and let me run this again. Now you will see it's still in the center, so it's perfectly working fine. Okay, so I think the example will clear many things. So that's it for today video, and a quick but useful look into the terminal size grid. And this is the first video in this playlist called the grades in Rust, and we will explore more grades in the future video. So, and even though these grades have the pretty well and a pretty straightforward documentation, but I want to visualize things like how they show, how they work with the real world examples. And because that's how we truly understand the Rust ecosystems, just by doing things. And I'm thinking maybe in the future videos, maybe if we are working on any project, we will be using these grades in their project. So that's why I'm making the dedicated videos for all these grades, so you have an idea how to use all these grades. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.